Hi, I'm Manuel from CA, and I'm here to tell you about AI Alfred, our smart gamification platform. So we all know that employee engagement numbers are at an all-time low. And with the rise of millennials and Gen Z in the workforce, this is only going to get worse, generating huge impacts in loss of productivity and in turnover costs. And gamification has been seen as a possible solution for this, but most of the solutions aren't having the expected results, mostly due to lack of follow-through. And we know that's the way to go because that's what we've been doing for the past 5 years with our clients, creating tailored gamified solutions and then helping them keep those solutions alive. The problem is that it's not scalable. And so that's why we're building AI Alfred. We are taking our battle-tested gamification engine with a lot of game mechanics pre-built, learned from our existing clients, and then we are creating a layer of AI and machine learning that is going to take that information and take HR development matrices and player profiles, and using a prediction engine, it's going to help the platform manage itself, basically like a virtual game master. It's going to choose the right mechanics to use with each specific player and the right moments when to trigger those mechanics. And so we know that gamification, when done well, has the expected results, not only from worldwide numbers, but also from our particular projects. We also know that there is a big market for this, both due to the lack of productivity costs and the turnover costs that can be mitigated, but also the market itself is growing year after year. And that can only mean that if you have 2.4 billion people playing and the average age of the gamer is the average age of the workforce, game mechanics are bound to work with them. Comparing ourselves to our competition, they tend to be either one-trick ponies, so they have a closed-minded product that solves a specific problem, or boutique consulting firms that will solve your problem, that will build it from scratch and take a long time to do that. So we stand in the middle. We already have the technology and the know-how, but we also want to tailor each solution to each specific client. And so our business model will be evolving. So it will be software as a service model, but the initial setup will tend to be optimized from client to client uh, due to the increase in our knowledge base of HR prediction models and player profiles. Our team enables us to do this because we are managed by a really experienced CEO, and our CTO has a lot of experience also in software development and game development. And we have been working with clients that have the dimension to give us the knowledge that we need to build our knowledge base. And that's how we are building AI Alfred, the smart gamification platform that will change the way employee engagement is being addressed.